Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T and my channel is Miss T is Blessed. Today is just going to be a short tutorial about upcycling a wreath. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment, share, and give me a thumbs up. If you're returning, thank you for coming back again. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So this is not exactly a DIY, it's more of an upcycle. Excuse me, I bought this wreath about a week ago from Big Lots. It was $20, but I wanted to add some things to it, my own touches. So as you see, I've already started. This bowl was all burlap. So I have this ribbon here that's like a bronze color leaf. So what I did was I cut out pieces of the ribbon the same size as the burlap, and I just glued it on. Be careful with the hot glue. So I just glued it on the same size and length of the burlap ribbon. Hold it in place a minute. And then put a little dab on the side to hold it in place. And there you go. So around the wreath, I added some picks. Some of the picks I used are the pumpkin, the sparkly pumpkin. You can glue them in, or you can just stick them in, so you can change your wreath if you want to change it for a different occasion. So I put some hot glue on the end, and I find just a little open space and hold it in place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I see like a space up here. I'm going to put another one. And I have other picks. Any kind of picks that you think you would like to put on, you can. Some of the other picks I have are the berries. This was a larger berry. Wow. So I cut them down to make them a little smaller. So really what I do is just put them in little open spaces on the wreath, like over here. Just hold it in place. I'm going to use a couple of those. I didn't want to put too much, but I wanted to add some. So I'll put one up here. And also I have a couple of pine cones. So you can use the pine cones just as they are. You can paint them, put a little spray paint on them, whatever color that you like. So I'm just going to put the pine cone right there in the center. Make sure it's dry. And I use regular, excuse me, regular glue. I didn't use the extra adhesive or extra strong glue because I might take these off to change it for another occasion. So I'm going to put this one over here. So the materials that I used were the wreath, the ribbon, the picks, and that's about it. So I have one more pine cone. So you can put as much or as less decor on here that you like. Pine cones, flowers, berries, pumpkins. So I didn't want to overdo it. So this is my fall wreath. I hope you like it. And I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of upcycling a fall wreath. This is Miss T. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.